Hello my people, welcome again to GLAATORY. On my today's video I'll be showing you how I made this crunchy chin chin. This is very easy recipe. Here I use 7 cups of flour, and now I added my cinnamon powder and salt to taste with baking powder. I'll be listing all the measurement of the ingredient that I use for this recipe on my description. Please feel free to check them out. So I'll be mixing everything to well combine. So if today is your first time you're seeing my video, you're highly welcome. And for my returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much for always tagging along with me. Here I added my unsalted butter, and I'll be mixing everything to well combine. So you can see I already finished mixing. I will throw it in. If it didn't break, that means it's okay. I added my full cream milk. So you can use water in place of this milk, but I decided to use the milk for this recipe. So when you are adding your milk, you need to add it bit by bit. Don't add them together, and still check if it's enough. So I decided to turn it to my mat in order to mix them to well combine. So remember to like my video, comment, and please share so that others will get to see. Okay? Thank you. So I'm dividing it into 4 in order for me to be able to mill them one after the other. I put them on a plastic so that it doesn't get hard. So I'll be rolling it out. I will do them one after the other. So feel free to spread the flour on your mat to avoid it sticking on it. So I'm using my pizza cutter to cut it out. This is very easy. You can see you can do it. You don't need any special machine to make this crunchy chin chin. So remember to like my video, comment, and please share. And for those joining me for the first time, please subscribe to my channel at GLAATORY and follow my page on Facebook at GLAATORY Flavors, okay? And remember to always share my video, like it, comment, and please share. Here I have finished the cutting, and I'll be getting ready for the frying. You can see it's very easy. Just make sure they're not sticking together, and make sure you're frying it on a medium heat, and keep stirring as you're frying so that they can cook evenly. See, it came out so well. Hope you'll get to try this recipe. This is very easy, very crunchy, and very yummy. So the sugar you added is according to your taste. So this is 7 cups of flour with 1 cup of sugar, because I don't want it too sweet. This is the second batch. It came out so well. Hope you'll get to try this recipe. This is very easy snack you can make at home. So remember to like my video, comment, and please share. and subscribe if you have not done so. Thank you for watching, and see you again on my next video. Bye.